Hi everyone, welcome back to Canon Coffee, and here we have Gaggia Academia, and this machine was brought in because the door wouldn't open and close properly, and what we had found is that the door hinge, the bottom one, was broken. See, it's supposed to connect right there, so we replaced it. You can see the door opens just fine, and this is the one we replaced. It was cracked right about there. So here it is, and it's working once again. Let's pull a test shot. Pre-infusion. Alright, looking good. Alright, well there it is. Gaggia Academia, door opening and closing, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Canon Coffee. Please like our videos.